Are you looking to automate lead nurturing in GetResponse and make the most of its features without getting bogged down in manual tasks? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can automate your lead nurturing in GetResponse, and trust me, it's easier than you think. First thing you'll want to do is set up your email automation. The beauty of GetResponse is how intuitive it is to set this up. Head over to the Automation tab in your dashboard, and from there, you can create a new workflow. You'll have a choice of pre-built templates, but I recommend starting with a blank slate for total customization. Next thing is choosing a trigger. The most common trigger you'll use is when a contact subscribes to your email list or when they perform a specific action on your site. GetResponse lets you select different types of triggers, whether it's a form submission or a link click, which ensures you're engaging the right leads at the right time. Just make sure you're clear about the goal of each automation flow. Moving on, you'll need to add some actions to nurture those leads. You can automatically send welcome emails, follow-up emails, or even offer discounts and promotional content. A great thing about GetResponse is the ability to segment your leads, so you can tailor your messages to specific groups. For instance, if someone clicked on a specific product in your email, you can send them a follow-up email about that exact product, super relevant and personal. The fourth thing you should know is about testing your workflows. It's easy to forget, but testing is crucial. GetResponse offers a preview and test mode where you can send yourself the emails to see how everything works. This ensures that your automations flow smoothly before you send them out to real leads. Next, let's talk about lead scoring. With GetResponse, you can assign scores to your leads based on their behavior. This can be how frequently they open your emails or how often they click on your links. Once your leads hit a certain score, they'll automatically move into a different automation sequence, which helps prioritize high-quality leads. This is key to making sure you focus on the right contacts. Now, a quick word on GetResponse's CRM and how it integrates with your automations. This tool is essential for tracking leads throughout your nurturing journey. You'll have a complete view of each contact's interaction history, and this data helps you make smarter decisions when designing your automation flows. One thing worth mentioning about GetResponse is that while it's great for basic lead nurturing, it does have its limitations. It's not as powerful as some other platforms when it comes to advanced segmentation and automation. If you're looking for something more flexible and scalable for the long term, you might want to consider other alternatives. And here's the thing, I've included some alternatives in the description below, and these platforms have a lot more advanced features for lead nurturing, plus they offer robust free trials. But here's the twist, through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and some amazing benefits for GetResponse, too. So you can still try it out and see if it fits your needs. But again, I encourage you to check out those alternatives for more advanced options. They offer more flexibility and customization, especially for complex lead nurturing strategies. To sum it up, automating lead nurturing in GetResponse is simple and effective for many small businesses, but if you're aiming for more advanced functionality, you might want to explore the options I've linked in the description. Through our link, you'll also get an exclusive and extended free trial for GetResponse and some amazing benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out those links to get the best deals and trials.